Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to use Cryptoguru trading simulator application. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the App Store or the Google Play Store, whichever you have, and download the Cryptoguru application. Now guys, when you did that, you just need to go and log in to your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to the Cryptoguru application. Now guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Cryptoguru videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have here on the application. First of all, here we have the lobby where we can see some bonuses, lucky spins, we can see the virtual balance and something of your profile. Also, we have the trading where you can go and make your first steps of trading. As you can see, here you can go and trade. Here we have tournament where you can go and see some tournament, win prizes, etc. We have the academy where you can go and see some stuff on the academy. As you can see, stop loss and take profit, some of these things, features that you can click on. Here guys, we also have the profile where guys we can see everything about your profile. So everything about your profile, so your bonuses, your how much you have profit, everything is here in one place. And in the top left corner we have settings where you can go and click some change your languages, promo codes, delete your account, and of course log out of your profile. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use Cryptoguru trading simulator application. Well guys, to do so you need to go to trading and then go to trade, and here guys you can go and trade and use this simulator application. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.